In this video, I'll show you how you can remove a background from almost any image. Let's jump into it. Alright, so as you see, there's this website called remove.bg. This is a really cool tool that I found that it will speed up your image processing really quickly if you just need to cut someone out for an image, or like I do it for business cards sometimes. So I will show you some images that I have. I just downloaded it off Pixels, and you can easily just take your image, drop it in, and it will remove the background all by itself. And it does actually a pretty good job if you look at it. There's pretty decent line work over here. Let's look at the original. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's try a couple more. This one might be a little hard since it looks like it has a little foreground, but actually might have to clean it up a little bit. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. And then let's try one more. This one should be a little easier. Yeah, look at, that's pretty smooth. And the also part is you can just download a preview image. It's a little smaller, but you can also download the full resolution for free. You get 1 free credit if you just sign up for an account. Let's look at their pricing model. You could do about 20 cents an image at like 200 credits, 39 bucks. That's not bad at all. So this could like really make your process really quick if you need to do a bunch of images. But if you're on a budget, there's also ways around it. And if you could just keep creating accounts for 1 free credit, there's a thing called temp mail. Go to tempmail.org, and you could just get this email, copy it, sign up for an account, and then you'll get a confirmation email. You just click it real quick, and you keep making new emails for a background, or to remove a background real quick. So hope this tip helps you. If it does, please subscribe, and I will make more videos like this. All right, thanks.